My name's Sandy Brunton. I come from the Isle of Mull. I'm the Chair of Development Trust Association Scotland and the Convenor of Mull and Iona Community Trust.
And can you tell me a little bit about the consultation exercise that you were involved with over the summer?
I spent a lot of the summer travelling round about. I think we were doing, although I wasn't on every island, we were trying to visit about 40 of the 90 populated islands in Scotland, more than 90, and there were 60 events right round about in different islands. What we were trying to do was we were trying to consult on the National Islands Plan, which is to be associated to the Islands Act, which is enacted now, and actually will give the islanders and the relevant authorities the way to look at what it is that would make islands sustainable in the future.
And why is this so important?
It's really important because there are so many different aspects that people on the mainland don't understand about island living, whether it's to do with access to healthcare, access to transport and access to other various services. And one of the difficulties is really the remoteness and how long it takes you to get to and from an island. It took me most of a day to get from Mull to Edinburgh just yesterday because the ferries and the trains, they all didn't tie up because it's winter timetable.
What happens now? What stage is everything at in terms of the results of the consultation?
Okay, so right now it has been laid before Parliament in Holyrood. So the Minister Paul Wheelhouse has laid it to the Parliament and they have had a debate on it. There is a statutory period of consultation where the plan, which is about 70 pages and has a whole range of different intentions and areas that wants to be recognised, and that then, once that statutory period is finished, any consultation comments get built into it and there's further discussion, and then it becomes a legal situation where the local authorities and other relevant bodies have to then comply with the plan, and the government, the Scottish Government, have to actually review what has been done to be able to achieve the targets that have been set within the plan.
What were the key takeaways from the consultations for you?
My goodness, there were many of them. There were a whole number of points that we had to try to address, and in different islands and even within the different communities on the same island, there were different points that were raised. So access to health, transport, broadband, mobile phone coverage, education, all of these things were covered in an awful lot of depth, and we had nearly, I think there was more than 1,000 people were taking part actually on the islands, and then there was an online consultation as well, and then there was a paper consultation. This was an unprecedented effort that was put into consulting those that were living on islands. It hasn't ever been done that way before, and the depth of consultation or the number of events that were happening hadn't been ever done before. So it was really quite a groundbreaking process.
Thank you very much.